Enjoy the crunch of Good Day Chunkies in a soft microwave mug cake. It's so easy, you're sure to make it often. Hi everyone, I'm Mini Mathur, and for today's Britannia's Dessert Carnival, I'm bringing you a quick and easy recipe of a microwave mug cake that's made with a chocolatey infusion of Good Day Chunkies. Are you ready? So here's my recipe for a very quick microwave cake. Okay, if your oven's not working, you can still do this. It's really lovely. For that, I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients first. So the flour goes right in. So I'm going to be using Good Day Chunkies for this. It's got a lot of, chunky bits of chocolate which work really well for this cake. I've powdered it a bit coarsely and I'm adding it to the dry mixture. I'm going to be adding my caster sugar, a pinch of baking soda and baking powder, both going together, and all I need to give is a little quick stir. Just make sure you take all the lumps out. If some of the chocolate bits remain in there, that's good because it's going to melt in the mug when you're microwaving it, and that's going to be a surprise. Mine is done, after which I'm going to add my eggs. Now here's a Chunkies tip of the day. If you want to avoid making it with eggs, you can replace the eggs as well as the baking soda and the baking powder. Remove that out of your recipe and add 200 ml of club soda. Okay, plain club soda, just add it. It works just as well. So I'm going to give this a good mix. So after the egg has been combined with the dry ingredients, I'm now going to add the milk, the melted butter. This is the vanilla essence. You can use vanilla extract. This is your coffee syrup, which is basically an espresso shot of coffee with lots of sugar in it. Now that I've put all my stuff in, I'm going to blend it. It is now done. And I'm going to now pour this batter into the cups right here. Trust me, if you want to impress somebody with a cake, this is your main abhi lai moment. That's it, my batter is ready. It's ready to go into the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is your recipe if you want to impress somebody with a quick cake. These look so beautiful. Everyone's going to be so impressed when you make them. I'm going to put a little bit of cream to make it really professional looking. This is very easy to do, and the fun part is because the biscuits actually have chocolate chips, as you bite into the cake, you'll keep getting bits of chocolate on it. The good part about this is that because the Good Day Chunkies already have chips of chocolate, every time you bite into it, they'll melt in your mouth. It's the most unexpected overload of happiness. And with that, my Good Day Chunkies microwave quick cake is ready. If you're very dedicated, please put some chocolate chips on top so that you can really impress everyone with this quick and easy cake. And now, I don't know about you, but I can't wait to get a bite of this. So good. This is yum. I think you should try this recipe today. And if you like it, please also press the like button. Do share it with your friends. They'll really love you for it. And of course, if you want to catch up with the Britannia Dessert Carnival, subscribe. Simple. See you next time.